Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful halibut fillets. Okay, I leave the skin on because they're scrod. And little cod, little halibut, little cod, whatever you want to do. Walnut crust, okay? Now, I got Panko breadcrumbs here. I got chopped walnuts. A little bit of chives, all very fine, 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 fine. A little bit of parsley, yeah. A little bit of thyme. And then we made this kind of mixture here, right? And we have our baking dish here. We got the olive oil spray. Shh. Hey, don't knock it. Olive oil spray. We preheated our oven at 400 degrees. We're having our little fillets here. Nice and neat. Yeah, you know, with love. And then, of course, fish needs salt. Fish needs salt, 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 salt. There you go. Now, we salted it. Now we press our mixture on top, okay? There you go. See? Press, press, press. And then we put a little butter. I have no patience, ladies and gentlemen, no patience. Be honest with you, I should get more patience somewhere when they give it out. But as my employees know, I have no patience. I want it done, and I want it done now. And I'm the same with myself. But see that walnut, got nice and nutty flavor, and the breadcrumbs gonna make it nice and brown. Yeah, okay. I have a little melted butter here. The oven is ready. I go cht, 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 done. Now remember, salt. I want to do a little bit the crust too, okay? A tiny bit. And ready, it goes in the oven. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that beautiful fish. Oh, just perfect. Crusty enough, brown enough, well done but not dry. Coming off just like that. Oh, yes. And then we finish it off with a little bit of butter. Oh, yeah. See how flaky? That's just perfect. Just perfect. There you go. I want that little crusty pieces here to cover this up. And then I have here in my pan, always touch it like that, a tiny bit of butter on top, and our halibut scrod. You can do that with walleye too, ladies and gentlemen. Thicker walleye, be okay with that. Not too fishy. I love it. See you next week. Bye-bye.